Today we're going to take a real look at this bus. All right, game day doesn't cancel for weather. This bus doesn't cancel either. Your teams are going to get there, and they're going to get there on time. We help colleges, universities, sports teams across the country get their student athletes where they need to go regardless of what the weather conditions are. Obviously, we got a little bit of snow here last night, but we're going to check this thing out anyway. Let's take a look at the inside. So we've got durable flooring in here. This stuff has got little silicone beads into it. It's great for traction. Wet conditions, muddy conditions, anything post-game, this vehicle is going to take what you can throw at it and stomp into it too. All right, we're taking a look at these seats now. These are nice. They're wide. We've got seat belts that come down across the chest. I've got an armrest for me here. Recovery starts the second the game ends with legroom and a comfortable seat like this. We've got 2 air conditioning systems in this thing. I'm not going to turn either of them on today because it's only 15 degrees outside, so I promise they're going to blow cold. We also have 4 heaters though, and it's got a diesel-fired engine preheater, so those are going to be piping hot right at start. This bus is built for long hauls. It's built for going to Alaska. It's built for going to Houston. Doesn't matter if it's the winter or the summer. Your athletes are going to be comfortable and traveling in style. Let's talk about power ports. We've got 110. We've got USB. We've got USB-C. All 3. Because film review, homework, and charging your phone, can't live without it. All right, we're talking about luggage in this thing. Let's check out the luggage inside. It's built for backpacks. It's built for small carry-ons. It's built for all the different winter layers that you're going to need when your student athletes are getting to and from their games. Okay, this bus has got tons of storage space. We've got luggage inside. We've got luggage outside. We got luggage underbelly here. For oversized items, we got hockey bags. It's good for golf clubs. It's good for the student athlete that costs you the end of the last game. They can tuck really nicely in here. We've got some ski storage going on in the back here. Just really wanted to demonstrate some of the variety of different oversized goods that we could fit inside. So back end of the bus, we've got double wide luggage doors. So not just one that opens, but 2. It gives us a little bit wider opening. We've got shelves on each side as well. So we're not stacking stuff on top of stuff. It helps us keep items that need to be protected, maybe some of your film equipment or something like that. Keep that up and out of harm's way. This bus is built for long hauls and team travel. Could you even imagine getting hit by this thing doing 55, 65, 75, even 80 miles an hour? This thing's designed for moose, elk, deer, herds of I don't even know what. But last time I checked, wildlife doesn't ask for permission to cross the road, so you shouldn't either. 45 people in the back, driver, co-pilot, luggage underneath, luggage up top. This bus is 45 feet long. If it feels like I've been backing up forever, it's because I have been. That's a big bus. All right, so that pretty much wraps up this 45-foot, 47 total passenger shuttle bus. Perfect for your college team sports, universities. If you like this bus or any others like it, check out our inventory at davycoach.com. If you like this video for more real-world bus videos, click subscribe.